So we're talking about this. If you're looking at 12 rows of seats from row number 1 to row number 12. Yes? Now, if we're looking at 12 rows of seats, so you don't know how many seats there are here. Okay? There are 10 seats in the first row. So here you have to imagine your first row, there are how many? 10 seats. Okay? And 12 seats in the second row. So 12 here. Right? 14 seats in the third row. So this is the second row. And third row, there are 14 seats. So let me just erase here. So we're going to take the eraser and erase this one out first. There will be 14 seats in the third row. Do you see this? Can you see the pattern? So what are we looking at? We're now looking at a pattern. What is the pattern here? What's the pattern here? We're looking at a pattern here where for every row there is an increase of 2 seats. Can you see? 2 seats. And over here, from 12 to 14, this is also 2. Correct? Correct? So 2, 2, this will be another 2. So, and so forth. I've already taught you what means by so forth. It means again and again and again. It's the same thing. So row number 6, row number 4 will also give you, let's make it green. So row number 4, that will make you have, okay, will have, sorry, erase that first. Over here is also 2, correct? Yeah? So imaginary line 2, right? So it should be dot, dot, dot. Right? So 2 here. So every 2 seats go up. By the time it goes to row number 4, if you look at here, there is 10. This one should be 10. Over here will be 6. Correct? It's made up of 10 and 6. Correct? Is it made up of 10 and 6? It's made up of, see, I pull this up here. Isn't it made up of 10 and 6? Right? So what happens if I were to, this is 4 rows, right? Every 4 rows, it increased by 6 seats. Can you see? Every 4 rows, it increased by 6 seats. True? Okay? Now you have 12 rows. 12 rows. Now here's the magic. You don't have to calculate everything. The magic is, you take this number and then you divide by this number. Okay? 12 divided by 4 is 3. So I can do first row and fourth row, and then I can do 8 row, and then I can do 12 rows immediately. I don't have to do 5, 6, 7, 8. See the magic? Because every 4 rows is 6 seats. That means I will have 10 here, and I will have how many here? 16 here, right? Because this will be 16. This will be 6 rows, right? True? True now. 10, 6 here, 4. 1 to 4, 10 and 6. We already established here from here. Right? So which means at row number 8, it will be, at row number 8, it will be this will be 16, okay, and this will be another 6. True? I don't have to do more. I just do add 6 here. So from here to here is 22. Do you understand? Simple. So from here to here is 22. What will be row number 12? Row number 12 will be 22. There's no space there, so I'm just gonna try to imagine this one is also 6, and this will be 22. So row number 12 is 22 plus 6, correct? And that will be give you 28. Yes? Oh. There is 28. Do you see? Can you see that without looking at, I don't have to do number 1 all the way to number 12. I just do 1 and a few more. I look at a pattern and I can straight away jump from, I can skip a few rows. How? This is the magic. I repeat again. I look at a pattern from 1 to 4 or 4 or 3 rows. Then I will get the pattern here. Once I see a pattern, I take the total number of rows, divide by the amount that you have calculated, which is 4 in this case. 12 divided by 4, that will mean every 3 rows will skip by 6 there. Then you don't have to do all the way from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is too long. Okay, so now you see there are 28 rows, but now they ask you how many seats are there in the cinema altogether. It's a bit difficult, huh? Okay, first I want you to draw up to here, this number here. Okay, so I'm gonna pause my pause the video first. How many seats are there in the cinema? So if the question is like that, means you need to add this, all the seats numbers here. Your eyes go like that. Yes? So you need to add all the seats number. So how do you add? You do this by, if this is 10, the next one will be 12, 14, 16, 18, correct? Then 20, 22, so on and so forth. So I have 10, I will have 10 plus 12 plus 14, okay, plus 16 plus 18 plus 20 plus 22, then plus 24 plus 26 plus 28. True? That is what altogether it means, right? Correct? So equals to, now you look at 2, 4, 6, 8. Then 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 8 will be 16. Okay? There's 16. So here will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Correct? So 50 plus 16. That's how you calculate. Okay? 50 plus 60. Can you see? I don't have to add one by one. Then plus 20 plus here 20. 2, 4, 6, 8 again. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 6, 12. Okay? 2 plus 4 is 8. Is 6. 6 plus 12 is 6, 12. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 12 plus 8 will be 20. 12 plus 8 is 20. So sorry, this should be 20. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. So this should be 20 over here. Oh. This should be 20. Correct? Understand? So there will be 20 again. So plus another 20, which is then here 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 60 is 20 plus 20 is 60. 60 plus 20 is 80. Then 80 plus another 20 is 100. See, you can count like that. You don't have to count one by one. And you have altogether 196. So your answer is here. Answer is over here. This is the answer. 196. Easy? First you have to draw the pattern. Once you draw the pattern, you can see how it goes. Multiply by 2. Going up. You can draw up to here and then continue from here. 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus. Here I'm explaining everything for you. Okay? So your homework, when you go home, let me save this first.